Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I'm working with a priority flat rate box. It's a small flat rate box, but it's not for Happy Mail. This is going to be for my memory Dex cards that I do receive for my challenge. Receiving my first memory Dex card, I realized I didn't have a container to keep my cards in. So this is a good size to start with. It's probably let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it's about 9 inches, 8.5 inches by 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 and a quarter. What I will do is I will put this on time lapse and you can just watch me how I think through this, because that's basically what I'm going to do. I have not made a box like this before, so I don't have a memory Dex card box either. So I will make one, okay? And what I'm trying to do is just use the small box area part and cut away the flap, because I won't need the flap. I might just cut right here. It just, we'll see how I go through this. My mind is going at 100 miles an hour right now, but we'll work through it and hopefully you'll enjoy this video. So here we go. I'm going to put you guys on time lapse. Okay guys, that was an adventure. All right, so here I have my box. I took my skewer sticks, and my box is wider than it needs to be. It is 5 1/4 by 8 3/4. So I'm hoping I can fill my box up. There you go, guys. And I will clean my mess up real quick here and try to, I don't know. I was hoping I had some fancy stuff for my feet, but we'll see. For right now, I think I'm going to go ahead and secure my skewer sticks. Let me, good old-fashioned awl, and put the pointy part in, and get the skewer in. Hold it in. Oh, okay, that was too far. Oh no, did I mess it up? Oh boy. Well, hot glue it is, so I'm going to make a little mess back here. Get my hot glue going and get my skewer in. Hopefully, I'll get that in. Guys, I've never made a box like this before, so I might be making a big old mess right now. Yeah, never did this before. Ugh. Hot glue. Keep it all nice and round. There we go. Same as the other side. And I'm going to go ahead and attach my glue here and try to keep it neat with the skewer sticks. I was trying to straighten up the back and keep it nice and firm, or nice and straight. I'm just going to touch these up right here. And I don't mind all of this paint on my skewer sticks. I'll trim these tips off real quick. Get my glue on there. I'm going to have to get really creative with my decorations. So there we go. I've got these all set up in my box. It's not perfect, but it is handmade. All right, there you go. The beginning of my memory Dex box. Very first one. Awesome. Well, for me. Alrighty, I'll be back. All right, guys. So I did add the feet. What I used were my beads from my stash. I took my awl tool here and poked some holes. They're not all lined up or straight perfect, but it's good enough for me. I used some of my jewelry findings, so you can see I have a bead cap, a bead, and another bead cap, and I used a flathead pin, and just like a jewelry, and then I made a loop. Poked that end into the hole that I made here, and then before I put it on, I used hot glue in the hole, so you can see, where can you see it? Right there. You see that? It came right through the box. So I put hot glue, and then I put the bead into the hole I made, and that will make for my feet. So that's what it looks like. And this is the front, so I will add some decorations to the front of this. I'll probably put some of my trim and my collection that I just created, some of these goodies here, onto the front and use that as my decorations. So here we go. Okay guys, so this is what I've got so far, and I was actually looking for these butterflies, but I think I want to add them here with probably a rosette or something, or a bow or something. I'm gonna figure this out, find something to live. Oh, that's pretty too. Do I have a big another one? I'm digging through my stash. Isn't that fun? Okay. We have a bow and we have a butterfly with that. Oh, that's cute. Okay, I'm going with that, and I'm going to center. Well, attempt to center. Oh, I got so. Okay. Try to secure it down. I like that I have stuff to pull from now. Now, where did it go? Was it this one? I'll just go with this. Little butterfly. There we go. there you go. Whoop. Because I was working on this last night. I had to go down and take care of business. Did not even center that at all. How about that? Is that better? Oh, it's not gonna move now. So I got the pink one here. I think I'm gonna put this one here. That's cute. I'll put that there. All right. These are not glittered, so I'm not gonna bother with that because we need some glitter. Glitter on glitter. Isn't that wonderful? There we go. That is perfect. I was trying to avoid bending my leaves, but oh well. Just keep it like that. How's that look, guys? There we go. I got the uncentered bow here with my butterfly. And then the other one is a little more centered. None of it is centered, but I don't care. It's for me. I'm not going to put it in alphabetical order. I think I'm just going to put it in as it comes. And my number one, and you know what I just realized? Everything here is like purplish, pinkish. My favorite colors. I love it. And Healing Montana Nana, thank you, sweetie, for joining this challenge, because otherwise I wouldn't have made my box. I mean, I probably would have put it in a box, but not a pretty box like this. This is cute, and it's gonna go right in here on my shelf right here behind my camera once I get it cleaned up. So I think I'm happy with all of that. I'm gonna leave it as is, and as usual, cleaning up my mess. So here we go. Just one more look at the box. It's my skewers right here. You can see the hot glue holding it in. My bows. I don't think I'm gonna put trim up here because I was thinking about it when I put the cards in. If girls like me like to make big cards, like hanging out, see, and stuff like that, it might get caught. So I'm not gonna do that. That little card needs to go out. But thank you all for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've never made a memory Dex box before, and this is my first, just like my first giveaway challenge, my first birthday giveaway challenge. I hope you all join in on the fun. I'll probably link the video to this video on an iCard or something somewhere up there, but please check it out. It's a little bit of fun, and you have until the end of September to get your submissions in, because I will be announcing the winner on October 3rd. So, oh, a sneak peek of another piece of the prize, something I created just for the prize. So that's it, guys. Thank you for joining me, and please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and thank you for joining. Bye.